Hey guys, welcome to Nick Studios. This is a bit different from my other videos, obviously, because I'm in the computer, but today we're gonna teach you coding with this new site called Scratch. So, Scratch is basically a site where you can code with blocks, and let me tell you more about it. With Scratch, you can program your own interactive stories, games, and animations, and share your creations with others in the online community. Scratch helps you Scratch helps young people learn to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively. Essential skills for life in this 21st century. Scratch is a project of the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at MIT Media Lab. It is provided free of charge. So I am going to show you what game we're going to be making. So I'm going to be showing you the game I made. It is called Spaceball, which is basically a Pong game. You click the green flag. It asks you which is easy, mid or hard. When I click easy, it's easy. And it only has 3 lives in easy. Plus it also counts the ball score. And if I lose all the lives, that's it. And I stop and again restart. Now I choose mid. It's a little faster. This time I have 5 lives instead of 3, and it also counts the score even in this one. So I lose all the lives. That's it. And again I click the green flag. Now I click hard. Now this has 10 lives because it's actually really hard. So let me show you the code. I click. So I click on new, or yeah, I designed all the sprites. So we have the same easy, mid or hard button. We have the paddle and the ball. So let's start coding. Like I said, like the first game, as you saw, I had easy, mid or hard buttons. If you want like them, you use them or you just do the normal code. I want them, so I'm gonna use them. I go to the easy button, get this when green flag click, get a show, then when this sprite is clicked, we have to broadcast a message, and it's going to be a new message called EC, in short form E as I use it. Okay, so it is broadcast E. Then for mid, it's the same thing. When green flag click, show. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast new message. And this time it's going to be mid, so M. Yeah. So for mid, it's the same thing. When this sprite is click broadcast M, and then hide. I actually forgot this, so let's just put it mid. Then for hard, same thing. When green flag click, show, and when the sprite is clicked, sorry, broadcast new message. And for hard, it's going to be H. H. Yeah, but as you can see, when the green flag is clicked, even though I click easy, only that hides. But we want all of the buttons to hide. So what we're gonna do is we just stop this code. And so when you go to this easy, because only if the sprite is clicked, it hides. We want it to hide if any of these three buttons are clicked. So we'll just duplicate this by right clicking and then H and M, which is for medium and hard, you just have to hide. Yeah, and then for mid, you again have to do the same thing. And again, when I receive this time E and H, this is gonna hide. Take the hide from looks. Oh yeah, just get this here. And you just put a heart. And this time, when I receive E, duplicate and M, hide. So you take this hide, duplicate, put it there, and put it there. So now when you click the green flag, these two, sprite 1 and ball, hide. But if I click easy, all of them hide because we just did the code for that. So we are now going to code sprite 1, or which is the paddle this time, as we call it. And so when I receive E, or when I receive M and H, we have to do the same code. And H, do the same code, which is, I'm just going to show you the code now. For we take a forever loop from controls category, just duplicate that and duplicate that one more time. Forever, so you go to motion and grab this set x2, which is the horizontal movement, as it says x is horizontal movement. Set x2, you just duplicate that and duplicate that. Now if you go to sensing, which is here, we have a mouse x and mouse y. So we want to set x to mouse x. Put there, here. So we click the green flag and we just click easy. Oh, I forgot to show, sorry. Forgot to show. Get show, duplicate, and again put it there, put there, and put it there. So click the green flag again, I choose hard, and you can easily. One second. I just made a slight change. I just deleted the hard, so it will be a little easier for you. So it's the, we saw the code here, right? When I receive a show and set x to mouse x, we did the same thing for both easy and hard. Now we have to do the same thing for the ball. So we go to events, get a when I receive E, duplicate that and duplicate one more time by right clicking, H and M. Or yeah, then we have to do a large code. Yeah, a large code. So when I receive E, or when I receive M, or even or when I receive H, you have to point in a certain direction. In this case, I will choose 45 and just, or we could delete and just delete because it comes as a pair. And so we wanted to point in direction 45, and we get a forever loop, duplicate and duplicate, put that forever in here, put that forever in here, and put that forever in here. Move 10 steps when I receive easy. Oh yeah, sorry. When I receive M, move 10 steps, and then when I receive E, move 10 steps. When I receive M, move 15 steps. Or we could increase that later, but for now, let it just be 15. So then, but if we click the green flag, press easy. I forgot to show, sorry. Uh, yeah, go to looks, show, get that, and then just put there, put there. But there is a slight issue with this. I just choose easy. Where's the ball? So there was a little mistake, and now we click the green flag, click easy. Now the ball goes. But as you saw, the ball just went past. We don't want that to happen. So we we put we go to motion and get a if on edge bounce in both of them. I just have to replace this to 0, 0, and 0. Good. So our ball is now here, and we click the green flag. Choose easy. Now if it's on the edge, it bounces. So we exactly want that, but before that, I just need to choose a backdrop. Just choose a backdrop. Let us take neon tunnel. So we have the neon tunnel backdrop. It looks obviously really cool, and now we just have to make it bounce off the paddle. Yeah, we'll do that right now. So we have to make it bounce off the paddle. So we go here, and with these same forever loops, we go to the control, take a if, then put it here. So if, go to sensing, touching, just duplicate that, paddle, which is sprite 1, here also sprite 1, edge, sorry, sprite 1, if touching sprite 1, so we have to press, we have to get this, or point in direction, we get this point in direction, we just duplicate this one more time, put it here and put it here, point in direction. If we go to the operators, we have a pick random, point in direction, pick random, 80. We don't want it to go straight, or we don't want it to go on a 45-degree angle. That's too steep. So we'll get somewhere in between. Let's just take 80 to negative 80. 80. We just duplicate that. Put it here. We put it here. And we just have to duplicate this. Put it here, or we just have to duplicate this another time. We put it in here and put it in here. So as you can see, sorry, I click the green flag, easy, it bounces, and that is what we exactly need. So it is really good. It works. So we also have a slight issue with the backdrop. If we go to a stage, we click on backdrops. We have this backdrop one, we can delete, and we have to convert this to vector or let it just be bitmap. And we copy it and paint and paste, convert to bitmap. A new backdrop one, which is the same as the neon tunnel, but this time it is going to have a square which is red in color. Yeah, let's see outline thickness, we can decrease it to set 1. We just, oops, sorry, we don't need it. So yeah, there was a slight issue, but now we got it. I just converted this to a vector image file. We just draw the square. Very simple. And this is the one with no square. This is the one with square. And actually, we have to put a switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Or yeah, backdrop 1. Sorry. Yeah, we don't need this. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Put that same thing here by just dragging and dropping. Into the easy. Yeah. So when this comes, you don't need this. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Ayani antan. To ni antan. Yeah. And the same thing goes here. Just duplicate this and sorry, sorry, duplicate this. Show. We don't need this. We just delete that and put that in there. That in there. Very simple fix. Easy. Wait 1 second. Oh yeah, sorry. It was my mistake. Neon tunnel and again neon tunnel. So we click easy. Wait 1 second. Uh, yeah, there was a slight issue. I deleted the one with there was no red. There was a little issue with that and it got fixed. So we go to the balls code. Um, yeah, we need to uh, change this code slightly. Yeah, that's good. I forgot. Show. And again, yeah, we don't need this backdrop stuff because there is only one backdrop. You just put it there, put it there, and put it there. Good. So now if you click green flag, mid, now this is just a little harder. Okay. Oh! Why is this thing not hiding? This has to hide. Hide and then broadcasting. Mid. Why is easy not hiding? Sorry. So, yeah, there was a slight issue. That was my mistake. Click the create flag again. Choose easy. Good. Stop the code. Click the green flag again. Choose mid. Good. We can change mid slightly in speed wise. We can change mid to like, oh yeah, to the ball sport. Move 20 steps, double the times. Yeah, you can choose whatever you want. Then what else do we have to do? I mean, yeah, we have to create some variables. Make a variable for the sprite only. It is going, oh yeah, for all speed. Uh, it is gonna be called lives. It's the ball's lives. V E S. Yeah. Sorry, it's not Einstein. It is Lives. Yeah, lives. Okay, and we make a new variable again. Now this time it's for this sprite only. It's the ball score. We put score. Yeah, score. Good. Lives and scores. So we can. Yeah, we'll show them for now. We have to set lives to 3. Then 3. Yeah, we have to set lives to 3 then. Sure. Yeah, good. So we have to set ball lives to 3 in the beginning and again, and same thing goes to score. Set ball score to, oh yeah, sorry. Set ball score and again score to 0, and then change before all of the code happens. We have to change score by 1 because we put it here and we put it here. So as you can see, after you click easy, the score keeps moving or the score keeps changing. Yeah, yeah, I'm at 141 in easy. So we are going to make another change in the ball's costumes. We go to costumes and then we delete all of these. We just copy it in costume and just paste this ball, but we have to now reshape it to become a broken ball because when it touches the red it obviously has to break, like that. You can do it however you want. I'm just doing it very simple because of the tutorial. Yeah, hold that point, bring it down. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, there, there, there. Hold it in that point. You can do it however you want. I'm just doing it very quickly because of this tutorial. Yeah, hold in that point and just slide it down. Shattered. Yeah, and last here. So this will be totally shattered, and I mean totally shattered. Yeah, this is a shattered ball. Yeah, and we also have to at the beginning switch costume to, is it costume 1? Let's see, a ball A. Switch custom to poly. There is a lot of duplicating in this code because it is for both E and M, which is easy and hard. Yeah, mid, and we have this. So we have to do the code for the lives to change. Yeah. So we have another if statement. If so, we just take an if. So we just have to take an if statement, duplicate that, put it here, and the same thing here. If we go to sensing and get this touching color, or we delete this, take this. We have this color picker, so you can take any color, like for instance, purple, blue, black, whatever. But we are going to choose this red because that is the danger line. Yeah, then we just duplicate that, put it here. If touching color red, then we just have to change lives by oops, change lives by -1, which is just -1. So if you're in 3 and you lose a life, it becomes 2, so it's -1. Yeah, scroll up, sorry. Put it here, and then put it here. But if you just do this, after it hits here, where my mouse is pointing, after it hits here, it will just stop instead of going because you need this code. Remember at the very beginning, I showed you. At the very beginning when we started, I showed you. Put it here. Now, if you see, the ball lives is 3. If it, I just need to get it here. Okay. Sorry. 1 second. So yeah, I just made a slight change. I forgot to put it here. So this time it didn't decrease from 3 to 1, but 3 to 2, and then to 1, and then to 0. But this time if it's 0, it won't directly tell finished. So we have another if statement. We just have to decrease the size slightly. Yeah, we'll decrease the size because we have to show the code. If we go to let's get an if, duplicate that, put it not inside the if, the other if. Then if we go to variables, get this lives block equal to block here. We just put it here and here. If lives equal to 0, and here, oops, sorry, and sorry, we have to slight change. Only 0, and here also equal to 0. Then we have to switch costume to costume 1. Then stop it because we really need to stop it. Or yeah, for now we put stop on. And so now click the green flag, choose easy to 1 0. It shatters and then like 0. Then actually what we want to do is take the stop all out of the code and we actually want to create a new sprite called finish. So after all of the lives are gone, it says finish. Yeah. So we're gonna just type finish. So we are just gonna type finish. So we go to the text tool, which Scratch has, and we put saturation to 100, bring this thing to a nice, or we'll just put a blank. Since everything else is pixel, we have to put a pixel. So we'll just write finish, finish. Sorry. Uh, 1 second. So we are gonna just type finish. I'm telling for the third time. Caps lock. Uh, I N I N I S H. Finish. Good. So we just have to center. Decide by yeah. So when the green flag is clicked, hide. Then we have to broadcast a message here. For events, with a broadcast. And then, oops, sorry. Broadcast message, which is for finish. I'm just gonna call it F. Yeah. F. Sorry. Right click, duplicate, put it there, put it there. Go to sprite 2. It says finish. So when I receive F, then just show. This time show. Now only we're gonna stop all. So now get the green flag. And sorry, we have one more mod to do. We have to go to the balls code. Mid is actually too hard, so we put it as like 20 steps. It's very hard. So we'll put the lives to like, let's say 7 lives. Set lives to 7. With the green flag, I choose mid. Stems because it's fast. We are going to set lives to 7. Yeah, whoops. Yeah, I'm just gonna lose all my lives and see if that code works. 210. So, and the code works, and this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. This is actually my first Scratch tutorial. Hope you guys like this video, and if you get this videos to 50 views, I will post more and more and more Scratch tutorials in this channel. Thank you.